welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Atty. Ralph, and it's the weekend today. So it's Saturday, and I promised myself that I would upload a new video every Saturdays and Wednesdays, 7:30 p.m. So sana kayanin ko at kayanin ng aking schedule, but for tonight, for this Saturday, I'm making true of that promise. So I'll be discussing a very simple pero magugulat kayo, baka others do not know that we have a law like this, pero I'll be discussing later in this video all about unjust vexation or yung tinatawag na crime of annoyance. So would you believe that in the Philippines, annoying another person could be a crime? So let's see what are the requirements, elements for it to qualify as unjust vexation. See you in a bit.
A few moments later.
Hi again guys. So ayun, nabanggit ko kanina, yung topic natin for today would be what they call unjust vexation or yung crime of annoying another person. So baka magtaka kayo, attorney, meron palang ganong klaseng crime, yung mag-a-annoy ka ng ibang tao. Well, there is. Ito ngayon, unjust vexation, and would you believe, hindi lamang po siya basta may civil liability, kasi meron din siyang criminal liability. It's a crime. It's under the revised penal code of the Philippines, which makes it a crime. So if nakasuhan kayo ng ganito, you'll undergo a hearing, and at the same time, if makita na guilty kayo because of this, magkakaroon kayo ng criminal record. So who would want that, diba? Ang hirap pag may criminal record ka, kasi maapektuhan nito or pwedeng ma-prejudice nito yung future employment. Kasi for example, employment would require an NBI clearance or a fiscal clearance. Magre-reflect sa records mo yun that you have a criminal case or a conviction against you, which is for yun nga, unjust vexation. So ano nga ba ang unjust vexation? Alam niyo, pag sabing unjust vexation, ano yun madaling salita, yun yung crime na pagka ang isang tao ay deliberately or with malice, maliciously keeps on annoying you or disturbing you. Hindi yung mga simpleng pang-annoy, pang-asar, or yung minsan naiistorbo ka, pero these are deliberate and malicious. Okay? A good example would be, let's say yung iyong kapitbahay ay araw-araw or almost every day nagvi-videoke ng hating gabi o madaling araw. So imagine, yun ang usual time of sleeping, pero siya wala siyang pakialam, non-stop siyang mag-videoke. It doesn't even matter kung maganda o hindi maganda yung boses niya, kasi at that time, you don't want to hear someone sing. Ayaw mo na, hindi ka naman nag-attend ng concert, but you just want to rest and to sleep. And if that person is deliberately, maliciously disturbing you, annoying you, baka talagang ginagawa na niya yun talaga para, to annoy you, to vex you, kaya nga siya unjust vexation, then it could fall under the crime of unjust vexation. Okay, paulit-ulit ko pong binabanggit yung maliciously and deliberately, because under the law, you have to prove malice, okay? It means to say you have to show that it was really intentional and it was done maliciously by that person. Okay, hindi pwedeng, let's say, dahil birthday or once a year, syempre pag New Year or pag Pasko or yung certain occasions, like Thanksgiving party, may nag-graduate sa kanila, minsan-minsan, Pilipino, mahilig po talaga mag-party, okay? So, hindi naman po yun ang sinisik to penalize ng ating batas. Pero yung deliberate, yung paulit-ulit, yung talagang intentional, na ginagawa na lang niya to really annoy you or to really disturb you, then that could fall under unjust vexation. Okay? And what should you do? Ano nga bang pwede mong gawin dito? Well, hindi naman agad-agad kasuhan. Okay? Kulang. O agad-agad. Okay? Hindi ko rin naman laging sinasuggest yan na sige-sige or file agad. Kasi a lot of these things pwedeng pag-usapan. So, sisimulan ninyo doon sa intention na magkaroon kayo ng compromise agreement. Okay? Makapag-negotiate kayo into a peaceful way out of this situation. And with unjust vexation or this type of cases, the first thing you have to do is to go to the barangay. Anyway, magkapitbahay naman kayo, kaya nga kayo na-istorbo. Kaya you live in the same barangay, we have that law, the katarungang pang barangay law. And when you go to the barangay, you tell them your complaint, and then magkakaroon po ng hearing dyan, okay? There will be several hearings kung saan pwedeng doon kayo magkasundo, doon na mabanggit or may mag-mediate sa inyo from the barangay kung ano ba talaga ang problema, ano ang pwedeng maging solusyon, ano ang offer of each other na resolution dito, and if nagkasundo naman kayo, then magkakaroon kayo ng compromise agreement which resolves the issue. So, happy lahat, diba? So, but if hindi nag-succeed doon, that's the time the barangay will issue a certificate to file action at didiretso na po yun sa fiskalya para makarating sa korte. Okay? So, kapag ka po nakitaan naman ng fiskal that there is, kumbaga, there is a basis for what you are complaining of at it deserves to have a full trial before the court to hear both sides, then ine-elevate yan sa court. Once na sa court, talaga mag-undergo kayo ng hearing doon, okay? Pero padadaanin pa rin naman po yan sa mediation. Again, magkakaroon ng mediation doon. So, titignan, baka kaya pa talagang ayusin and yun po, pwede rin mag-judicial dispute resolution which is also part of the mediation process no, before talagang magtuloy-tuloy yung case, okay? So, let's say nagtuloy-tuloy yung case, talagang mabot na kayo sa trial, at na-convict kayo or someone is convicted of unjust vexation, ano nga ba ang penalty? Well, ang penalty would be imprisonment of, I think if I'm not mistaken, 1 to 30 days and a penalty of not exceeding 40,000 or both. Ibig po sabihin, number one, there is a range to that, hindi yun fixed, pero merong minimum and maximum both sa imprisonment time and sa penalty. And then second is there is a range. Okay, so dahil may range yun, hindi naman yun, it will still depend on the judge, on the court, o kung ano yung magiging parusa sa inyo, or yun nga, pwedeng maging both. Okay, pwedeng may imprisonment with fine, pwedeng imprisonment lang, pwedeng fine lang. Okay, so once it reaches finality, the decision, magkakaroon na kayo ng criminal record. Who would want a criminal record? No one wants a criminal record, okay? So, ang pinaka-advice ko sa inyo ay iwasan nyo po yung ganitong mga situation. I know sometimes yung iba mapagbiro, mapang-asar, or teasing each other, or they think it's funny, pero laging may hangganan po yan ang pagiging annoying or disturbing someone because there is actually a law protecting people against this, unjust vexations, okay? These unnecessary disturbances and unnecessary annoyance from another person, okay? So, there, if you want to learn more, of course, madami naman po tayong mga makikita ng mga articles and resources about it, but of course, be responsible with what you read. Don't interpret it for yourself. It's still best to ask a lawyer about it. So, dun sa situation ninyo. Kasi lagi namang case-to-case basis, there are different circumstances per case. Hindi naman po laging pasok na pasok on all four corners ang isang case vis-a-vis the other. So, there, I hope you learned another legal knowledge or another topic patungkol sa anything legal sa aking page. If you learned anything, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!